America's best-selling truck just got better. The 2026 Ford F-150 is here, and whether you're towing, hauling, or heading off-road, it's ready to do it all. With more tech, more comfort, and more muscle than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we give you straight-up takes on the newest vehicles. No fluff, just facts. Let's dive into what makes this year's F-150 a serious contender for the top of the full-size truck game. Design. Visually, the 2026 F-150 is all about refinement with function. The front grille has been updated, bolder, cleaner, and designed to improve airflow. New LED lighting gives it a more modern edge, and revised body lines make it look even tougher. It's still unmistakably F-150, but now with a sharper, more premium feel. Performance. Ford gives you options. From the proven 3.5-litre EcoBoost V6 to a punchy 5.0-litre V8 to the efficient PowerBoost hybrid. And yes, the Lightning EV variant is still in the lineup for those going all-electric. Towing capacity is up slightly, now topping £14,000 in some trims, and payload remains best in class. Whether you're on the job or heading out for the weekend, this truck is built to handle it. Features and tech. Inside, the cabin gets a major tech boost. A new 15-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync system is standard on more trims, with improved voice controls and over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a full digital gauge cluster round out the tech package. Plus, with available Blue Cruise hands-free driving on select highways, long trips just got easier. Conclusion. The 2026 Ford F-150 blends power, innovation, and versatility in a way few trucks can. Whether you need a workhorse or a weekend warrior, there's a trim that fits. What do you think? Is this the most well-rounded F-150 yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the latest rides. We'll see you in the next one. And until then, keep driving forward.